Hello, hello, hello there.
No, B, it's just going to be us talking, and if something funny happens, you know, I'll
Alright.
piece it together.
You're gonna delete that one I delete, though,
What?
correct? You're gonna delete that part I told you to delete, correct?
Of course. Well, I might not
Thank you.
delete it, but I won't publish it.
Don't put it up.
I'm ninjaing.
So am I. I'm like a mile behind you, though, so wait the fuck up.
Hold on, I need to finish this. And 360 dismount. I 360 dismounted.
Ah, shit, I fell off. Do I get to rest now? That was a pretty hard score, 360. Ryan, come here, smack the door.
No.
Well, we can get free stuff, and we can tear it down.
Pete, you realize you can't
Pete.
break people's bases, right?
You can in Rust.
And you can in PvP, but this is PvE.
That's BS.
Pete, think about it.
Yeah,
On a game mode where you can't hurt other players or stop them from looting your base, is it really a smart idea for them to let them be able to destroy stuff of yours?
No.
Exactly. We're just going to loot this gas station real quick because I forgot my compass.
You want to borrow mine?
Yeah, that might help.
How the hell am I? Wait, actually, no. There you go.
Grassy.
Oh, wait, I have two. Why do I have so many compasses?
Because you find them everywhere.
Oh, that's right. We had a couple in the chest. That's right.
Alright, Pete, ready for this? Ready?
Yeah,
What's
got the big one. Scrap a plug.
Pete!
What? I'm searching the cars while we're going.
Stop looting!
I will loot as I
Then
please.
I will leave you behind.
No! Ryan, don't leave me.
I think if I ever get the money, I want to get an i7 processor.
We need one. Well, you would need a computer that could handle that. That computer that... Wait, what computer do you have?
Custom.
Oh, then yeah, you're fine.
I already have an i3.
So do I.
Wait, do I have an i3?
Yeah, we can look that up later. Well, what kind of computer do you have exactly?
It's custom.
Well, what brand is it?
There is no brand.
Oh.
It is an entirely
I'm
custom computer, Pete. Just.
What?
I got a helmet. Best chest raid ever.
I'm just mad because I had to get rid of that 53 long minute episode.
Which one?
The 53 long one that had Chris's phone call on it.
Wait. What?
I literally was running out of room right on my hard drive.
But that was our coordinated episode. We built the base.
We didn't finish, technically.
Yeah, but we started it.
I know, but we're gonna build the rest of it.
Pete, that's going to be a gradual thing.
I know. But, you know what I mean. Wow. I've run out of stamina. I need a minute, Ryan. Ryan, I need a minute.
Hello.
Penis. What are you doing? I'm right here. Oh, and I see you watch my Super Squat Simulator video.
And you saw my comment, didn't you?
Yes, I did. As I went on, as I'm not gonna explain the story, but I saw your comment, and I'm like, what? Like, what's wrong with that video?
Pete!
Yeah.
That video is what's wrong with that video.
You're lucky I have no bullets.
I have bullets.
You're lucky I don't. I'll blow your fucking brains out, even though it's ow.
Bitch.
Let's go. Like when it comes to making things blow up, I try. I don't care how big the boom is. So if there's a boom, there's a boom. Wait, if I jump from the top of this building, am I gonna die?
Probably.
Maybe I shouldn't do that. Ah, you're testing me now, Ryan. Because now I want to do it.
Please don't die. I don't have the inventory space.
I know. I'll jump from a lesser height.
Pete.
Kidding. Calm down.
I can't calm down when you're telling me that you want to jump.
Oh god. Oh god. Right, I might have to get off in a few minutes, not for long, but just for like a minute or two. Oh my god, there's so many zombies! Oh god, this is Half-Life!
Find a minute or
Oh
two.
my... Ryan!
Just
Ryan! Ryan! Where's the police station?
I'm not at the police station anymore.
I thought you said you were camping there.
I'm looting.
I thought we were camping. Are you looting? Where are you looting at? Are you at H7?
I'm still at Cranberry.
English!
That is English!
I don't know the map. I know the outlines. That's all I know, Ryan. Yeah, zombies, you can't get in past this door. You can't see me, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now.
You concern me. You monsters! Killed the bunny rabbit.
The bunny?
And they killed it.
Whoa. I like bunnies. I can be a man all I want, but I will love bunnies as much as the next man. You cannot tell me I will not really love bunnies.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Yeah, that's what I said.
Why are there Houdini zombies? The zombie went through the dang car.
I wish I could see your perspective on this.
What?
I wish I could see your perspective on this, because that just sounds freaking hysterical.
I'm glad
just getting
that I'm
hoarded right
recording
now.
this.
So, I have bullets. I just need to find some. Yep. You don't have duct tape on you. I give you all of me. Oh, and you give me all of me. How many times do I have to drown you? Even if you cry, you can't stop breathing this pain. My head's underwater, but I breathing fine. You're crazy, I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all I need love all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your imperfect imperfections. Give my all to me. Give my all to you. Love you. I don't know the rest of it. Fuck it. Give me all of you. And wait, I got
Pete, Pete,
bullets. I
Pete, come
need.
on, we're almost home.
There's bullets. I need this bullet.
Pete, please, we're almost home.
I've just got bullets. Calm down. We're at what? What do we even have? What is the base even
I
at?
don't know.
Isn't it? Wait, how do you not know?
I just know the relative location.
Are we anywhere near it?
Yes. That's why I said, come on, Pete, we're almost at the base. And I looted those cars. Yes, I did.
There's still cloth. There's
I
cloth
don't
in
pick up
here.
cloth.
Was there other shit in here?
Pete. Hello, sir.
Now we got problems.
Sir.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Hi there.
Hi there.
What's up?
How you doing?
Doing pretty good. How are you?
Good. Sorry about that. Are you like have you been on the server for a while?
Yeah, we're kind of just scavengers at this point.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Tell him to tune his radio to channel 1.
Are you gaming radio? Alright. Anybody out there?
Nope.
Nope.
Hello.
Okay. Maybe we should go to channel 2, Ryan.
No.
Nope. Nobody out
Nobody
here.
out here at all.
Gotcha.
I am
a figment of your imagination.
My God.
I'm actually looking forward to turning 17. I got to
Good.
buy R-rated movies.
That's a luxury that's very good to have.
When they ask for ID, I can just be like, Japan.
Way down in Coco, Montego, take you into Coco.